Hi guys, this is a very short video showing you a very simple and flavorful onion tomato chutney recipe. This is a list of ingredients required. Heat 2 teaspoons oil. Add 4 Rajasthani red chillies, which is for heat or spiciness, and 4 Kashmiri red chillies. This is optional for the fiery red color. Saute till the chillies are fragrant for about half a minute. Roast 4 cloves of garlic till they turn a light brown. Add 1 small onion which has been chopped roughly and saute till the onion is soft. At this point, the garlic cloves will have browned well. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and salt. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes till the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Cool completely. Transfer to a blender jar. And blend without water. That's it. Enjoy this flavorful tomato chutney. If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.